Hello guys, today we are going to make a clicker game in Scratch. So open up the editor and let us choose a sprite. But before we choose a sprite, let us see what a clicker game is. A clicker game is a game where you click to earn points, then you can buy items with that points to earn more points. So to begin with, delete the scratch cat because that we will not use the scratch cat. Then choose a sprite and then choose on any sprite. So I'm going to let us see what we can do. Aha, a balloon. So we have a balloon now. So after the balloon, we also need we need to do something, and that is code. So first I wanted to make a noise when we click on it. So first let us put this at y0 and x0 and y0, so it is in the exact center. Then go to events. When the green flag clicks, then click on the sound, then play sound pop. If you don't like the sound, click on record. Don't record, just don't, and then click on this plus button. Click on, let's search, I don't know, you go to loose. What shall we choose? Actually, I don't want any of these. Let's choose Bing Booping Bug because I used it before. But this so we wanted to just click here and let us just put it around here, so we can move and then click on delete, so it's like this. Well, let's just stick with pop because I like it. So go to code, play some pop until, so instead we want to go forever loop, then put an if statement. So if mouse down, wait, no, what, where was that, 1 second. Yeah, mouse done. Wait, let me search 1 second. Oh, we don't actually want this. We want when this sprite click, play sound pop until done. So yeah, next we also need a when flag click, and we want it to go to 0 0. So if I move it accidentally, it will always go to 0 0. So go to x0 y0. Then we want a score, so let us go to variables. Variables are like numbers that can be changed by code. So for example, you can set it and change it by 1 or whatever. So let's delete the my variable, type, make a variable called score. For all sprites can use it, because we want some other things that we want the score to be used. So first, so then we will go to when the click for so variables change the score by 1. So and then set score to 0 when we start. So let's turn it on, and now let us continue. So we want a object that can give us score per second. So let us click on object, choose a sprite. What is related to balloon? Nail. Let's see if a nail is there. Oh, it's not there. Arrow. Oh, it's not there. So let's make one. So click on the plus button, click on paint, and then let's make an arrow. So we want it to be like. So let us make the rectangle. No, let's actually make a nail. We don't want the rectangle. That we need a circle. Put it like an oval. Change the fill to some. Let's change the fill to a silver color. Saturation, and let's go the grayish. And now we want to put a rectangle. Then we want to click on this warper, so you can warp, put it like this and put it like this, so it looks like a thing. And then we want this to come on top. So yeah, it's not. Now it's a perfect nail. Let's make the size smaller a bit. Yeah, enough. Let's move it so it's around here. Let's add some text to say what it will give. Type it. Points per second is +1. Then enter, and then it's coming out. So let's change the size. Yeah, cost 10 points. So let's do actually score per second, not points. Score. So yes, after that, now let's do the code. So go to code. So we want a sound, so let's choose a sound. Oh, this sounds good. Let's make it faster. And fade out. So after that we will put code events. When this sprite clicked, sound, choose the sound as place sound alert, and so let's say, so yeah, it works. Then we want a variable called score per 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 second, all sprites. Also, let's choose motion events. When you flag click, motion, where's motion? Yeah, is motion. Then go to, let's put y is 40. No, y should be 0 and 200. Oh yeah, it's negative 200. Yes, so now we have gotten a nail which will help. So we also want a new variable called calls per second, which we already have. Now we want to click on change score and replace with, oh no, it's score per second, and then by 1, and then to, let's put events forever, wait 1 second, then change score by score per second. So we got the basic game. So let's click. Oh, it doesn't take any score. So let's change score by 10. Also, oh, we wanted to, but there's a problem. Wait, let me stop it. So we have, oh, we also need, so let's set score per second to 0, so don't get any score. So now we have click. See how we can get. So let's do an if state. So let's do, go to control forever, so it checks forever. So you want, and then if, then else. So if this happens, then it will do. So if, well, score, so let's go to variables, drag it here, score is less than 10, then do nothing, change score per second by 1 and change score by 10. Oh, so this is, oh, what happened? Oh, score is more than 10, so let's fix that. Score should be less than 10, otherwise you're getting crazy. And then, so let's get, see how we can't get, but only, so let's, but I only wanted to do when it is, So only when we have enough. Oh, actually outside the forever loop, so we want another events, but we want it to be only when oh, it's forever. Oh, we shouldn't do the forever. Instead, we should do if. So let's try now, and it works. Only so. So we get scores per second. So that is our game. Let's name it Balloon Clicker. And this is actually one part. We're going to add one more object and one extra feature. The object and feature will not be given, so watch next video to find out. Bye.